My number artist order came. There are 3 of these, each a different picture. This one that I'm going to open up first is, oh, can you see that one nice and clearly? You can see my hand as well. There we go. It's a pussycat on a settee with a pile of books, cups and whatever's. Cozy cat. So I'm going to open up bit by bit. Might not always speak for every bit. And we'll have a look. Right, I'm putting you on pause while I open the plastic wrap. I ordered the ready stretched canvasy one. Hold on a second, something's in my sunlight. Oh, oh, another second, hang on. Like I say, I ordered the ready stretched canvas one, so I think according to the what was written on the website, this should be pretty much ready to open the box, open the paints, open the paintbrush and go. The box is very pretty. If you were buying it as a Christmas present, you can see it's got snowflakes and Christmassy decorations. This is just my hibernation, something to paint during winter when it's cold and miserable, which it has been here. It's snowing outside, or it snowed outside and it's still hanging around. Right, here we go. Let's open up and find out what's inside. What's inside the box? There we go. Ooh. We've got the paints, the extra set, whatever the basic set is, plus extras. You can see you've got a chart there that's got numbers on, and it's all wrapped inside plastic. So hold on a second, pausing again. Yeah, these are the accessories that come with it. So you've got numbered paints there. I don't know if you can see the numbers on there. 0748, that's a lovely little duck egg blue one. And we've got this one here. Now, I think one set or another is supposed to be the basics, and then you could order extra shades for this. And you can see there's a cat's face. So cute. Cat with a cup of tea. So that's pretty much the chart to help with the numbers. That's the paints, the brushes are there. There's a nice little instruction area card there, so that's good. And the canvas, which you want to see, is ta-da! And it's lovely, yes, because it's even slightly shaded, so I'm not going to get confused. I know if it's a black cat, it's a black cat. There we go. Down there. All the way up. And there. Yeah, and I bought it to keep me busy during long winter nights or short winter days when I'm at home. I think I'm going to be really happy with that. So, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you to the number crew who have come up with it, number artist. And yeah, I definitely am going to have some fun doing another couple. Thank you. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.